Right. Assalamualaikum. A very good day. JIM 212 Statistical Methods. This is a key lecture for the Kruskal-Wallis Test. This is a non-parametric test to compare the mean for 3 or more groups. Okay, so this is the first example. A nutritionist wishes to compare the number of calories in one serving of 3 low carbohydrate foods at alpha 0.01. Is there a difference in the number of calories? Now we want to compare the number of calories between these three groups: pasta, ice cream, and also bread. Okay, so for any hypothesis testing, you have to start with the null hypothesis and also alternative hypothesis. We have to state the hypothesis. So there is no difference in the number of calories in one serving of each of three types of food. All right. So this is the null hypothesis. You can also write this hypothesis as mu for pasta is equal to mu for ice cream is equal to mu for bread. Okay, meaning that there are no differences between these three groups. Okay, so H1, at least one mean is different. At least one mean is different. All right, so this is the first step. You have to state the hypothesis. Next, we proceed to the second step. You have to find the critical value. Okay, for Kruskal-Wallis test, we have to approximate using chi-square distribution. So question asks you to test at alpha 0.01. So chi-square 0.01. So this is k minus 1, where k is the number of group. Now we have three groups: pasta, ice cream, and bread. So we have to refer to the chi-square distribution with alpha 0.01, k minus 1 is 2. Okay, so this is chi-square distribution for 0.01, and degree of freedom is 2. So this is the critical value, 9.21. So the critical value is 9.21. All right, so now we can proceed to the third step. You have to determine the test value or test statistics. So for Kruskal-Wallis test, you have to rank each data. Okay, each data. You just have to combine all and rank each data from the lowest to the highest. So now the lowest data is 5 for ice cream. So this is first rank. So followed by the second rank is 8. So this is 2. So next followed by 10. So this is 3. Then fourth in the rank is 11. Sorry, so this is fourth. Next, fifth in the rank is 12. Then 6. Then 7 is here. Then followed by 22. This is 8. Then followed by 25. This is 9. And 29. So this is 10. Right. So for bread, 11. Then 14, 62. then 15. So this is 12. 11. Oh, sorry. So 11. So this is 12. 12. 14 is here. 14. 12. Oh, yeah. So this is 13. So this is 14 and the last one is 15. Okay, so this is the rank. So now what you have to do is you have to find N1, N2, and also N3. So N1, N2, and N3 for this example are same. Okay, N1 is the number of sample in the first group. So for pasta, we have 5 samples. In ice cream is also 5. For bread is also 5, meaning that N1 is 5, N2 is also 5, N3 is also 5. Then you have to find the capital N. Capital N is N1 plus N2 plus N3. So this is equal to 5 plus 5 plus 5. So capital N is 15. Next, we have to find R1, R2, and R3. So what is R1? R1 is the sum of rank for the first group. So you just have to sum up this value. Okay, the sum of rank for the first group. So 4 plus 8 plus 7 plus 10 plus 9. So R1 is equal to 38. And R2 is the sum of rank for the second group. So 1 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5. So this is equal to 17. And R3 is the sum of rank for the third group. 11 plus 14 plus 15 plus 12 plus 13. So this is equal to 65. Okay, now, based on all these values, you just have to substitute in the formula. So H is equal to 12 over N plus 1 multiplied by R1 square over N1 plus R2 square over N2 plus R3 square over N3, and all these minus with 3n plus 1. Okay, so this is equal to 12. Capital N is 15. So 15 plus 1 is 16. R1 square is 38 square over N1 plus R2 square is 17 square over N2 and R3 square is 65 square over N3. And all this minus 3 and plus 1 is 16. Okay, so simplify this and the answer is 11.58. So now we have to compare the critical value and the test statistic to make a decision. Okay, since we use the chi-square distribution, so this is chi-square distribution and the critical value is 9.21. This is the critical region. We can only reject H0. Okay, this is the area to reject H0. Okay, this is the area that we fail to reject H0. Okay, so our test value is 11.58 is somewhere here. So this is 11.58, which is in the critical region, in the area that we need to reject H0. Okay, reject H0. So our decision is reject H0. Okay, we reject H0. So we make the conclusion. So at alpha 0.01, there is enough evidence to support the claim that there is the difference. Okay, we reject H naught, meaning that there is the difference. At least one mean is different. Okay, there is different in the number of calories in one serving of each of the 3 types of food. Okay, so this is the question. So this is how to conduct hypothesis testing using Kruskal-Wallis Test. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you very much.